Hi everyone, welcome to IT Exploit X. In this video, we are going to talk about something new. So in this video, we're going to talk about HTML and CSS pull course. So this course was designed to be like the unique one and to be so important to the everyone because we need it to be perfect learning HTML from scratch to pro version. I mean if you follow me step by step, your code will be so grateful and important. So this code was sponsored by IT Exploit X. We did it with ourselves, so you can follow us on IT Exploit X and get some many videos related to technology, programming, icon, and other things. So before we dive in, so you need to download the text editor, compiler. So there is different kind of compiler. So let's open our browser and download the compiler for us. So you can go to the website code.visualstudio.com in order to download the Visual Studio Code. I recommend it for you because it's so simple and easier, but there is alternative. You can use it like a Sublime Text Editor. So we will show you where the Sublime Editor it is and how it is. So without further ado, let's open another tab. So you can download it for your operating system, whether Windows or Mac or Linux. So in case of me, I use Windows, so that's why I choose the Windows. So that is our Sublime Text website. Search for Sublime Text on Google and click the first official website in order to download it. So already I have my own text editor, so we can turn back to our everything. So without further ado, after downloading a text editor, so we can go back to our project here. So that is the Sublime Text and that is the Visual Studio Code. So we don't need Chrome again. So after that, we will create a new folder on our desktop so we will name it as what we want. Not necessary to name it like I say HTML or like HTML course. Choose the name that you want and choose the name is so simpler and easier for you to recognize your folder. So in case of me, I name it HTML because I can recognize it with this name. So it's easier for me. Don't compare yourself with me. So tap on that space and write cmd and hit enter. So this way it's a way to open a folder and VS Code, but in case of me, I use this like my daily usage because it's so easier for me. But I will show you another way to open VS Code. So write a code space dot period space period. It means like code space dot. So when you hit enter, it will open the Visual Studio Code automatically because it's another way to open VS Code short like in simplest way. So now our VS Code is opened, so we can create our HTML file in order to use it. So create a new file. So don't forget to mention the name it as a .html, like extension of that things. For example, I mentioned it index.html. That is our post file, that we're going to use. Tap on shift and exclamation mark. So it will be a file and hit enter to generate the boilerplate for HTML. So boilerplate is the simplest way to create like a heading tag, body, and other things without spending a lot of writing code. So it's a simpler way. So after creating a boilerplate, we can name it as that is our paste file. So we can name it as a part1, because we use the different part. So I will show you like step by step. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It means like structured language like skeleton. And the CSS, it means for design, for styling, like CSS cascading style sheet used for styling the web page, the like button, and make it so astonishing looking. So we can design it as whatever we want, but HTML stands for structure, like when you mention it as a like human body skeleton, and CSS you can mention it as a skin and like makeup and other things. Any person to be like so cute and so like beautiful. So that's why we talk about CSS a little bit. So let's show you that one man menu and click on open folder. So you can open folder over there without using my way if you don't understand it. That is the second easier way to open a folder. No need to be confused. Both of them you can open folder, but in case of me, I choose to use that one because it's easier for me. So we rename it into part 1 because we're gonna talk about only part 1. So let's catch us on another